how to turn off Instagram two-factor authentication. For that, you simply need to open the Instagram application. Once you open the app, you need to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Tap on account center and here tap on password and security. You need to tap on two-factor authentication and choose the Instagram account. After that, you need to tap on the how you get login codes text message, tap on it and simply toggle off the text message button. And turning off two-factor authentication, you won't have an extra layer of protection. So tap on turn off. For now, let's not choose any security method here because we are turning off the Instagram two-factor authentication. Now tap on next, or let's get back from here, and in this way you can easily turn off Instagram two-factor authentication. So I hope you found this video useful. Share, comment, like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.